Yo, what is going on? Boy, it's been 8+ years since I've done anything with this channel. It's been dormant, but I'm bringing it back, and I just kind of wanted to set the tone for, you know, what we're going to be turning this channel into. You know, I do hope you stick around, but if not, no hard feelings. We are basically going to be, the first order of business is making this Kenworth and a Trans Am look just like the ones in the Smokey and the Bandit movie. It's going to be just kind of the build process. It's going to be a lot of humor involved. You know, we're going to try and make it as fun as we can. It's going to be me and my friends. This is Gere's truck and car. And, you know, just kind of want to give a little intro before we dive into this. Let him talk about it. There's a lot of history with the Kenworth, at least. And, you know, a lot of cool stories and stuff. So it's gonna be action-packed. So let's get into it. All right, got the Trans Am set up, Kenworth set up. We're gonna have Gere come out here in just a moment and talk about the plans.
I deleted the virus.
Oh, he's...
Yes! My pants were slipping! No!
You okay?
Hey, what are you talking about?
Nothing.
Yeah, you ready to go play yourself?
No, this is your truck and your car. We're about to...
No, we're gonna go airsoft.
Okay.
That's what we're doing?
No.
Okay.
You want to take...
Let me,
you want to change? All right.
Hey, let me go talk to Mom.
You probably should.
Yeah, we're good.
All right. Well, we just had to let him cool off for a minute there after that episode,
I
but...
thought we were playing airsoft. It's not. Okay, so this is my 78 Trans Am. I bought it when I was 17 years old. I'm 25 now. It was a whole car. Throughout high school, some friends and I took it all apart to what you see it now. I got some stuff in the trunk and it's wired shut with some of the original stuff, which none of it's going to be used. But it's a hearse. If you're into the Trans Am, it's a hearse T-top car, which is only an early 78 thing. Usually they were a little bit thinner up here, but this is a movie correct, which it's not a real special edition either. It's just a factory black on black car. But the only thing that's going to be used on this car is going to be the body and the doors and maybe this back glass. Everything else is going to be replaced with new, and we'll talk about it in a little bit. But we have a frame that's built for it. But again, this is going to be your Smokey and the Bandit emulation. It's not going to be a replica at all. It's just going to be black and gold with a bird on the hood, and that's probably about it. But you'll know what it is when you see it. That's pretty much all there is to it. I mean, it's just a black Trans Am, but all the extra parts are going to be the interesting side to all this, because these aren't really expensive cars, but they're starting to become more desirable because all your people that grew up watching this movie are getting to the point where they want these cars, so they're somewhat desirable.
Right.
But this is my dream car, and I bought it when I was 17 and stared at it for 7 years, and now it's time to do something with it.
That's it.
So we'll go to the frame and the other parts that we've already got for it. But additionally, to go along with the movie, this was considered the star of the movie versus Burt Reynolds. But I think the real star of the movie is the truck. The Kenworth, that snowman drove. So here you go.
Welcome back to 1978. My name's Garrett. This is a W900. This is pretty much the truck that they used in the movie. The plan is just to go pretty much original, back to what would be movie era, what they had in the actual movie itself, except the back mattress. That's going to be a new mattress. A few air leaks here and there. It's just like, the plan is just to get, other than everything back to where it's supposed to be, but we got to get everything that's mechanical fixed. So we just want to make it safe to just get around, just get it drivable and reliable, and then make it look pretty.
Right.
So it's a monster of a truck. It's got 7 more gears than I'm used to. I'm used to always changing gears, but never actually having split gears and whatnot. So that'd be an experience.
Yeah.
And the fact that I gotta get a CDL before.
Yeah.
Anywhere.
That's important.
That'd be a good one.
When do you guys plan on getting a trailer?
We've got a few stockyards or warehouses that actually have the trailers that we need. There's a warehouse in Montgomery. I forget the name of the actual place itself. They have them. We've got a cousin named Kenneth. He's also got some trailers that I think are the trailers we need, but it's just a matter of money getting it getting it wrapped.
Yep.
So the trailer would be the easiest thing, I believe.
Yeah.
This be the bulk of it right here.
Yeah.
But hey, she's got her dings, but I think overall it's in pretty good condition.
Yeah.
But hey, I don't really know.
We can kind of get in. We'll eventually get into the history of this truck. It actually has a pretty cool history, what it used to be used for, and the people involved and stuff like that.
Got a massive engine in it.
Yeah, it does.
It's a 350 Cummins. I think it's like 14 liters and some change.
Yes.
Yeah, massive. It's not the original engine. These originally came with Detroit's, the 2-stroke diesels. Cool engines, but these are just better. Cummins is master race. Sorry about that. But we got that in there. And it's got the 13-speed Eaton transmission on the inside, which is desirable as well. Pay no attention to the wasp nest in the corner. Factory. A little bit. For some reason, there's an oil leak under the dash. Found it on my boot.
Oh, I see that.
I think it's definitely power steering.
That's from the WD-40.
Nah, it's something different.
Anyways, I was gonna give a shout out to a guy named Kylie. He's on my Snapchat. He's walked me through this, but I didn't understand this. But Kenworth, this is your truck or your trailer or something like that. But this is for if your engine runs away. On the V8 Detroits, the diesel will run away. And this is if you pulled or pushed, whatever it is, that would shut off whatever to quit your engine from running away. So now this is just a dead thing. That's a cool little historical fact. We don't use this because this has been engine swapped.
Right.
So huge shout. I told Kylie I'd give him a shout out for all the info. He's a huge help.
Awesome.
He's from Snapchat. We got a good connections. It's all about who you know, not what you know.
That's right. But we'll get more into this. We have a lot of videos planned. One is going to be definitely a history video of the truck, and then we're going to be doing some tearing down, fixing things, rebuilding some stuff, and then it'll be quite a process. But stick around, we do have a lot planned for it. That's it for today. We're gonna start working on it, and just stay tuned for some more videos. Appreciate it, guys.